let's see how to use Paste Special in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that you want to insert something that has a lot of links attached to it. Now, an example of that is this page in Wikipedia. Now you'll see that there are a lot of different links attached to this paragraph. Now let's say that we want to copy this text into our clipboard. Now right click and click copy. Now let's go back to our document. And right here on the home tab, on the very first icon, you'll see the option to paste special. Now click on that and you'll have the option to paste your copied text as unformatted text, meaning that no links will be attached and only the text will be copied. And you can also paste it as HTML format, meaning the way that you copied it from the internet will be preserved. And as you can see, the hyperlinks are preserved and you can click them to open them in your browser. And that is how you can use the Paste Special in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.